mayonnaise can be either a superfood or actually silently poisoning you. Yes, you heard me right, ladies and gentlemen. Almost every single jar of store-bought mayonnaise is slowly killing you. And that sounds a little bit dramatic, but let's go into the evidence. And I want to tell you, of course, exactly, not just fearmonger, I want to tell you exactly how to get the absolute superfood, which is the mayonnaise. Maybe the first time you're hearing that. You can enjoy mayonnaise and do something good for you. However, the scary part, one hidden ingredient in nearly every bottle you can buy in the store, which you might have in your kitchen right now, is far worse for your body than most people actually realize. Worse than a fast food burger. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm serious. This is absolutely shocking when I was diving into it. So stick around. In the end of the video, I will give you a very easy to follow checklist how to buy the good stuff, and also a very quick instruction how to make your own one in the highest quality possible within like 2-3 minutes or so. So let's go straight into it. First of all, here's the ugly truth. Most supermarket mayonnaises is basically just liquid seed oils in disguise. And well, if it would be just a little bit of seed oil, fine. But it's made with cheap soybean oil, canola oil, sunflower oil, loaded with hydrogenated oils, which are the worst of all of them, or actually even trans fats. Especially trans fats. They are the worst fats you can consume. The worst fats for your body. They actually help you wrap fat around your organs, visceral fat, the worst fat of them all. These industrial fats trigger chronic inflammation, damage of the artery walls, promote insulin resistance, and significantly raise your risk of heart disease. Actually, randomized control trials, which I will leave as always in the video description down below, and meta-analysis confirm it. Trans fats and heavy processed seed oils increase inflammation markers, calcify the arteries, and mess with your metabolism in ways that quietly destroy your health over time without you even noticing it. But we still want to enjoy the mayonnaise, right? If we can just enjoy it and it's neutral, fine. But what if it can be a superfood? Well, you're not eating just a condiment. If you are eating the store-bought mayonnaise, you are eating industrial sludge that's been marketed as creamy, delicious, sometimes even healthy. They're saying, oh, this olive oil mayonnaise. Come on. I mean, most of them, it's absolute garbage if you're asking me. So even the so-called healthy versions, right, where they say olive or avocado oil are usually blended in then with cheap seed oils and still contain additives. So if you want to buy it and get the good stuff, here's a quick checklist. But ladies and gentlemen, wait until the end, because this few second tutorial how to make your own one will change your life, probably, if you like mayonnaise. So first of all, if you want to buy it, number one, the first ingredient must be avocado oil or extra virgin olive oil, not just olive oil, nothing else, right? That is the first ingredient. Then, of course, egg yolk, maybe some salt or something. Very important, zero, and I'm saying zero, hydrogenated oils, no soybean oil, no canola oil, no vegetable oil of any kind. Always look out for only avocado or olive oil, better even extra virgin olive oil. Then, very important, no sugar added. No weird preservatives. This is not necessary in an olive oil or avocado oil mayonnaise. And honestly, the real solution, the real game changer is making your own in under 2 minutes. It's ridiculously easy and tastes actually 10 times better while being an absolute superfood for you. So here's how. Take 1 room temperature egg yolk and that is for 1 serving, and put it in a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice or vinegar or both. Whisk it together. Now slowly drizzle in 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Very, very slowly, one after another, or avocado oil, of course, but I would go for cold pressed extra virgin olive oil. In fact, I made a video how to select the correct extra virgin olive oil. It's popping up on top of the screen right now. Make sure you're watching it, and then you whisk all the time while you're adding more to it. The whole time. Keep going until it thickens into perfect creamy mayonnaise. And that's it. It sounds crazy, but that is literally it. No fancy equipment needed, just a bowl and a whisk. If you want it even easier, use an immersion blender in a tall jar and it comes together in seconds. Now you can enjoy it. Let me know down below if you like this tutorial, and if you will try it out. Make sure you're subscribing to the channel. You watch this very important video and you subscribe to the channel right here. And as always, guys, bye.